say hello to everyone in the beginning, and then our main topic today is about Bitcoin
Bitcoin.
worst case scenario.
Worst case scenario for Bitcoin. What can be the worst case for scenario of Bitcoin? Hundreds of thousands or even millions of BTC. Uh, so once they sell, is that a big margin there? Yeah. So what's the price now?
The price
Now
of
it's about 10,000 plus.
yeah, it's about 10,000
Yeah.
at the current price. At the current price, let me check the price.
So in comparison to the price movement a couple of weeks back.
Yeah, the price now is 10,318.
Yeah,
Based on
so just
current,
not too long ago, it was like what 11,000 plus, right?
yeah, that's right.
Maybe averaging at 11,300, 11,500 kind
Yeah,
of thing. It was trying to break 12,000 if I'm not wrong,
yeah,
but then I don't think it happened. So instead of breaking 12,000, it come down. So this was what we were actually expecting because. There are so many people who are trying to push for positive sentiment about the price movement, hoping the price will be pushed up. But of course, it went the other way around. So it's kind of a good thing right now that is sitting at about 10,300 plus. So for all you know, it might go down further. You never know because now we are approaching US election, right?
yeah, that's right.
So of course, we are not saying that US election and this BTC price movements have something to do with each other, but I think there will always be people who try to push this kind of notion to try to tell the public that hey, because US election is coming, there will be a price movement. That's why they try to make people more excited or whatever, so get people feel some urgency. This is the urgency is always has been one of the few factors in terms of price movement in either stock market or crypto market. Yeah, so as long as people feel they feel that the price will go up, they start to get hurry and then try to buy some. If the price is going down and maybe they panic or they just sit and watch and things like that. You know, if the price go down to maybe 9,000 plus and then possibly it might just stay down there for some time before it actually have some positive movement.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I also think the same with you. But this day, this device,
Mm.
this day I see some the other from some of the live stream that they shared information to us. He said that of course the price is may go down as expectation, as the similar unmatched, but uh, but if we compare in to analysts with the other, we feel that it's not go down. It cannot go down less than 10K.
Yeah, it probably, even if you go down below 10K, it's just going to hang about 9,000 plus, 9,005, 9,007,
Yeah,
9,008 kind of thing. Yeah, the margin, the difference will not be so great because if it's going to be so great, I think we have some problem.
yeah.
Yeah.
And I hear the news about the micro strategy.
Micro strategy.
Yeah, micro strategy is one of the biggest company. They invest around 38,000 BTC, and they do remember.
38,000 BTC, that is about how much is 38,390 million?
Yeah, it's
Wow.
around it. And then now they want to cash out, and he said that he can cash out 200 million USD any day in a week, anytime in a day.
Mm.
Yeah, that's news. Can make a lot of people worry about this.
That
Yeah.
definitely will make a lot of people worry because if today the price is 10,000 and then tomorrow the price is 10,500 and this guy decided to cash out a lot of coins, and then I think general public will have a large chunk of general public, they will be thinking, wow, there's a massive sell-out, massive sell-off. Is the price going to dip? Is the price going to go down? And then people will start to have some panic sell and things like that. Probably.
Yeah, that's right. That's the feeling of the panic selling.
Yeah.
That's right.
So once you have panic selling, you know that the larger whales, they'll be eyeing on all the all the coins that these panic sellers are throwing out, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
So for people who actually think that if there's panic selling, the price will keep going down, 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 and down, I think they have to rethink that, because if there's a panic selling, it is the larger whales behind this mid-range people.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
And but that is one of the I also some strategy. You can see that our title. They say that the billionaire down on BTC.
Mm.
The micro strategy. That is one of the strict maybe. They just tell to the public to say the public, oh, we can cash out anytime, any day in a week, any time in a day, in order to let the people have feel the panic and they sell off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I guess by saying that, they are actually not going to do what they just said. They said,
Yeah.
I can, but I'm not going to do that.
Yeah.
I am able to sell 200 million worth of BTC at any time, any day I want.
That means they can live with that.
Yeah. I can liquidate, no problem.
Yeah, that's no problem.
Because there is a massive market out there who wants my BTC.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So by saying that, he's actually stirring, stirring the emotions of the public investors.
Yeah.
Perhaps they might be panicky, or perhaps they might get energetic and charge up over that.
Yeah, that's right.
There's only two ways, right?
That's right. That's just we also thinking about the billionaires they down on BTC. They may have a double thinking about the what BTC thing happen. Yeah.
I would love to know what AI big gunners are thinking.
Yeah.
Honestly speaking, because now we are living in technology era, right? So the next few years will be all about blockchain AI. So I would love to hear some of those AI people, maybe some CEO or some AI big company that's dealing with artificial intelligence, and I would like to hear what they think about all this.
I also think one of the strategy, because this day they use the bot trading, and compare between the bot trading with the human trading different, because the human is based on emotion.
Yeah, bot trading is basically based on algorithm, based on statistics, based on whatever you set for the bot to do.
Yeah.
The bot will do just like that. They will not hear some street uncles, street aunties. Yeah. Oh, it's going to up. Oh, I'm feeling so scared. The bot will never be scared.
Yeah, that's right.
The bot will never feel the fear. The bot just see the numbers and do the trading.
Yeah, that's right.
Do the trade. Yeah.
That's why we hope we can control our emotion, and then smart in this market, in this crypto market is really stuff for everyone. They can rely on. Yeah.
So even though it is tough on everyone, I think like Richard has just mentioned, whenever we see something in the market, we try not to get panicked so much. We think over it and think about maybe if we are able to think from the way these whales and billionaires think.
Yeah.
I think it will benefit us, everyone.
Yeah. That's why in our previous live stream, we also share some information about how we can get profits, and how we control our emotion, and it's in this crypto market. We also can earn some a little bit, but we also can lose a little bit.
Yeah.
So
those are just small marginal things that you're going to earn. Even if the price go up by $100-200, if you own a lot of Bitcoin, you'll be able to earn a slightly bigger amount because of the small margin they have. But if just going to buy $1,000-2,000 worth of Bitcoin, I think your profit is not going to be a lot. It's just going to be a little bit. Yeah, thank you all for joining us. I hope I can meet you all again very soon and more often as well.
now, so I press here and the stream will end. It's time for people to